Afternoon, guys. So, yesterday's vlog is exporting at the moment, and there's a cat. Hi, Minnie. No? Okay. Yeah. So, not much planned on my end. I have my 10-hour today, so not really going to see very much of me. But, Amanda's getting off early, because today is her early day. So, you might see a bit more of her.
You go to work.
Hi guys. So I've been home for a little bit. I came home and basically immediately jumped in the tub because I really wanted a bath today. I have no idea what spurred it, but I came home and really wanted a bath. I think it was because I was really cold and have just not been feeling too well. Not like sick, but like just my whole body hurts. And I don't know if it's like the time of the month or like because it's really cold or some combination, or just like overworking from the last like couple of weeks, because we're really short staffed at the registers at work, like even more than we have been because we lost yet another cashier, so we are even shorter on cashiers. So everyone's been working even harder to try and make up for the fact that we are so short. And there was talks for a while about getting another cashier, but then I guess the cashier that they tried to get failed her drug test. So there hasn't really been much searching past that, but because I've been so stressed, I just came home and immediately jumped in the tub and was in the tub for probably a good like half an hour, 45 minutes. And now I have jumped into bed and I have two little kitties. Usually I only have one kitty, but now I have two. I have no idea why I have two cats, but I guess I can't really complain too much. So I've just been laying in bed. I did order myself some stuff off of Amazon that I've been looking at for a while. Sorry, cats. I'm trying to like move the covers back over me because I had to get out of bed to get my camera. But I've been looking at some like really nice warm leggings and really nice like cute Christmas sweater for a while now, and I just kind of went and bought them because I was like, it's really cold out and I don't like wearing pants. Like on my days off, I really like wearing leggings and like yoga pants and stuff, so I needed some like really nice thick leggings because I'm tired of wearing like 4 layers of leggings to be any relative warmness. So yeah. So hopefully those will be coming in on Wednesday, and then I'll be warm. But besides that, I've just been cuddling cats and watching YouTube. Seems like a pretty good day to be. Yeah. Alright guys, so it is a little later in the evening now. Chris is home.
Oh, hi.
And we have kind of just been chilling around the house, in bed, being comfy and stuffs, I guess. Basically haven't done a whole lot. I got cat cuddles for most of the evening, as I showed you guys. Chris is turning off the PlayStation 4 because we were watching YouTube. But yeah, I got cat cuddles for most of the night. And then one of the cats left, and I had just a Minnie. And then Minnie left, and then I was able to like sprawl out in bed under the covers because I wasn't under the covers before because there's cats in my spot. Where my butt should have been under the covers, there was cats.
There is no bed, only cats.
Exactly. There's no bed, only cats. So, I was finally able to like get warm under the covers for a little bit, but yeah, it was really cute. I did try and get a clip of Gigi snoring earlier, but as soon as I turned the camera on, she stopped snoring. She heard the turn on sound of the camera.
Because we never turned that
Because
off.
we never turned that feature off. And she heard that and like woke up enough that it stopped her snoring. Which is kind of sad. Because it was really cute. It was like really high pitched. Super adorable. But I'm hoping we get some cat cuddles tonight. I kind of doubt it, being that I had cat cuddles all evening. Kind of doubt we're going to get cat cuddles tonight. But
We'll see.
yeah. Yeah, Chris and I just watched a little bit of YouTube. Just a little bit of Markiplier. Nothing too exciting. And now it is time for bed. Because Chris got off a little bit late from work tonight. He didn't get home until like 10-15 minutes later than he normally does.
Well, that was only because I was late being picked up.
Yeah, whatever. But Chris got home a little bit later, and so everything kind of got a little pushed back, and my mother didn't cook dinner until like almost like after Chris got home, and Chris got home late. So, oh well. But it is now time for sleep, because even now we will not be getting 8 hours of sleep. So, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we put out new videos every single day. And like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. All the links in the description below. And we'll see you guys tomorrow as always. Bye-bye.
Later, guys.